Welcome back to All World Coins News PK. If you are someone who never ignores pocket change, who feels excitement in the sound of coins, and who believes that even the most ordinary-looking money can hide an extraordinary story, then you are exactly where you need to be today. In this video, we're diving deep into a group of Washington quarters from 1974, 1989, and 1998, coins that are heavily circulated, worn down by time, and often dismissed without a second thought, but could still hold surprising importance for collectors. Now here's something most people don't realize. A heavily circulated coin, one that looks scratched, faded, and even slightly discolored, is not just damaged money. It is a piece of real history. These coins have passed through countless hands, traveled across cities and markets, and been part of everyday life for decades. Every mark, every smooth edge, every faded detail is proof of its journey. And sometimes, hidden within that wear, there can be something rare. All of these quarters we're talking about today come with different years and mint marks, especially the Denver D mint mark and even coins with no mint mark at all. They also show that copper edge which many people notice and get confused about. That copper stripe you see is completely normal for circulated quarters because these coins are made with a copper core inside. But here's the exciting part: sometimes, small differences in these coins can make a big impact. You might be holding a coin that looks completely ordinary, but if it has a mint error like doubling in the letters, a slight shift in the design, or an unusual strike, it can suddenly become something collectors are willing to pay attention to. And this is why people around the world are checking their coins carefully every single day. Now let's be clear and real at the same time. Not every circulated quarter is going to make you rich overnight. Most of these coins, especially in heavily worn condition, are still worth close to their face value. But the real power is in knowledge. When you know what to look for, you stop seeing coins as just spare change and start seeing them as opportunities. These particular coins also represent an important time in history. The years before 1999 were the final era of the classic Washington quarter design before the state quarters program began. Coin number 1, the 1974 United States Washington quarter, is one of those coins that quietly passes through millions of hands, yet still holds a mysterious appeal for collectors and treasure hunters. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary quarter you might find in your pocket change: worn edges, faded details, and a dull copper tone peeking through the surface. But behind that ordinary appearance lies a deeper story, one shaped by history, minting techniques, and the unpredictable nature of coin collecting. When people hear about valuable coins, they often imagine rare pieces worth millions overnight. While it's true that some coins have reached astonishing prices, a heavily circulated 1974 Washington quarter without a mint mark is not typically one of them. However, that doesn't mean it's worthless. In fact, its value depends heavily on subtle details, condition, rarity of errors, and collector demand, all of which can turn an ordinary coin into something surprisingly desirable. The absence of a mint mark on a 1974 quarter usually means it was minted in Philadelphia. During that time, Philadelphia coins often did not carry a mint mark, making them very common. Millions of these quarters were produced, and many are still in circulation today. Because of this, most heavily circulated examples have only modest value, often close to their face value unless something unusual sets them apart. One of the most important factors affecting value is condition. A heavily circulated coin has been used for years, sometimes decades, which means the fine details, like George Washington's hair, the eagle's feathers, and the lettering, are often worn down. This kind of wear reduces the coin's collectible value significantly compared to coins in mint or uncirculated condition. Still, even worn coins can tell a story, and for many collectors that history is part of the appeal. Another key feature of the 1974 quarter is its composition. These coins are made from a copper-nickel clad, meaning they have a copper core with outer layers of nickel. When the coin is worn, the copper layer often becomes visible on the edges, giving it that distinct brownish tone. This is completely normal and not an indicator of rarity on its own, but it does help identify the coin's authenticity and age. Where things start to get interesting is in the possibility of mint errors. Coins with striking errors, off-center designs, doubled dies, or unusual metal compositions can sometimes fetch much higher prices. While these errors are rare, they are the main reason why some 1974 quarters have sold for significantly more than face value. Collectors are always searching for these hidden gems, hoping to discover something overlooked. It's important to understand that not every old coin is valuable, and not every circulated coin will make someone rich overnight. The idea of becoming a billionaire from a single coin is more of a fantasy than reality. However, that doesn't mean you should ignore these coins. Even a small increase in value, turning 25 cents into a few dollars or more, can be exciting, especially for beginners in coin collecting. The real power of a coin like the 1974 Washington quarter lies in knowledge. Knowing what to look for: errors, condition, grades, unusual features can make all the difference. Many valuable coins have been discovered not because they looked special at first glance, but because someone took the time to examine them closely. Collectors also value coins for their historical significance. The 1970s were a time of economic change in the United States, and coins from this era reflect the transition from silver to clad compositions. Owning a 1974 quarter is like holding a small piece of that history in your hand, a reminder of how currency evolves over time. Another interesting aspect is the emotional connection people have with coins. A worn 1974 quarter might have traveled across states, passed through countless hands, and been part of everyday transactions. Each scratch and mark adds character, making it unique in its own way, even if it isn't financially valuable. For those serious about coin collecting, grading is an essential step. Professional grading services evaluate coins based on their condition and assign a grade that helps determine value. A heavily circulated coin will fall into a lower grade category, but even then certain rare features can still boost its worth. It's also worth noting that the coin market changes over time. What may not be highly valuable today could become more desirable in the future, especially if collector interest shifts. Patience is a key part of coin collecting, and sometimes holding onto a coin can be more rewarding than selling it quickly. If you ever come across a 1974 Washington quarter, take a moment to inspect it carefully. Look at the edges, check for unusual markings, and compare it with other coins. Even if it turns out to be a common piece, the process of searching itself can be exciting and educational. In the end, the 1974 Washington quarter is not about instant wealth, but about discovery, history, and the thrill of the hunt. While it may not turn you into a billionaire overnight, it can open the door to a fascinating world where even the smallest coin has a story worth telling, and sometimes, just sometimes, a hidden surprise waiting to be found. Coin number 2, the 1998 United States Washington quarter with a D mint mark may seem like just another ordinary coin, especially when it is found in heavily circulated condition. Its worn surface, softened details, and visible copper edge often make people ignore it completely. But for those who truly understand coins, even a common-looking quarter can hold a deeper story, a hidden potential, and a connection to real history that many people never take the time to explore. This particular coin was minted in Denver, which is why you see the small D mint mark on it. In 1998, the Denver Mint produced hundreds of millions of quarters, flooding the economy with these coins. Because of this massive production, the 1998 D Washington quarter is not rare in the traditional sense. However, the real excitement in coin collecting does not always come from rarity alone. It comes from the possibility that something unusual might exist within the ordinary. When you hold a heavily circulated 1998 D quarter, you are holding a coin that has lived a long life. The design of George Washington on the front may appear flat, with much of the original detail worn away. The eagle on the back may no longer show its sharp feathers, and the lettering may look slightly faded. These signs of wear are not flaws, they are proof that the coin has been used in countless real-world transactions over many years. One of the most noticeable features of a circulated coin like this is the copper color along the edge. This happens because the coin is made from a copper core with outer layers of nickel. As the coin wears down through use, the inner copper layer becomes visible, creating that brownish stripe. Many people mistakenly believe this makes the coin special, but in reality, it is a completely normal characteristic of modern U.S. quarters. Despite being common, the 1998 D Washington quarter can still become valuable under certain conditions. The key factor that changes everything is the presence of mint errors. These are mistakes that occur during the production process, tiny imperfections that can turn an ordinary coin into something rare and desirable. Examples include off-center strikes, doubled images, die cracks, or unusual textures on the surface. Collectors are always searching for these errors because they are unpredictable and rare. Imagine finding a coin where the design is slightly misaligned, or where the letters appear doubled due to a striking issue. These kinds of coins can attract serious attention in the collector market. Even a small error can significantly increase the value of a coin, especially if it is clearly visible and well-defined. However, it is important to stay realistic. A heavily circulated 1998 D quarter without any special features is usually worth only its face value. The idea that such a coin could instantly make someone a billionaire is more of a dream than reality. But that dream is what keeps people searching, checking their coins, and hopping to discover something extraordinary. The real power of this coin lies in knowledge. When you understand what to look for: mint marks, condition, and possible errors, you begin to see coins differently. What once seemed like loose change becomes a field of opportunity. Many valuable coins have been discovered by ordinary people who simply paid attention and took the time to examine their coins closely. There's also a strong historical element tied to the 1998 Washington quarter. This coin represents the final phase of the traditional Washington quarter, designed before the introduction of the state quarters program in 1999. That means it belongs to the end of an era in American coinage, making it more meaningful to collectors who appreciate the timeline of U.S. currency. Another fascinating aspect is the journey each coin takes. A single 1998 D quarter may have traveled across cities, states, and even countries. It may have been used in shops, vending machines, or saved in jars before returning to circulation. Every scratch and mark tells a silent story of where it has been and how it has been used. For collectors, grading is an important concept. A heavily circulated coin will receive a lower grade because of its wear, which usually limits its value. But if that same coin has a rare mint error, its value can rise dramatically regardless of its condition. This is why experienced collectors never judge a coin based on appearance alone, they always look deeper. Coin collecting is not just about money, it is about discovery, patience, and curiosity. The excitement of searching through coins, the possibility of finding something rare, and the knowledge gained along the way make it a rewarding experience. Even if most coins turn out to be common, the process itself is what keeps collectors engaged. Patience plays a huge role in this journey. Not every coin will be valuable, and not every search will lead to a big discovery. But over time, as you learn more and gain experience, your ability to recognize something special improves. What once looked like an ordinary coin may begin to reveal hidden details you never noticed before. If you ever find a 1998 D Washington quarter, don't rush to spend it. Take a closer look. Check the mint mark, examine the edges, and look carefully at the design. You might not find anything unusual, but there is always a chance, however small, that the coin could have a unique feature. In the end, the 1998 Washington quarter is a perfect example of how something simple can hold deeper meaning. It may not turn you into a billionaire overnight, but it carries history, mystery, and the thrill of possibility. And sometimes, that sense of discovery is far more valuable than the coin itself. Coin number 3, the 1989 United States Washington quarter with a D mint mark, is a coin that many people overlook without a second thought, especially when it appears heavily circulated with worn details and a visible copper edge. At first glance, it seems like nothing more than ordinary pocket change. But in the world of coin collecting, even the most common-looking coins can carry hidden stories, unexpected value, and a sense of mystery that keeps collectors searching every single day. This coin was minted in Denver, which is indicated by the small D mint mark on the obverse side. During 1989, the Denver Mint produced an enormous number of Washington quarters to meet the demands of everyday commerce. Because of this high production, the 1989 D quarter is widely available and still commonly found in circulation today. However, abundance does not mean the coin is without interest. It simply means you have to look deeper to find what makes it special. When a 1989 D quarter is heavily circulated, its appearance changes significantly. The sharp features of George Washington's portrait become smooth and flattened, the lettering loses its crisp edges, and the eagle on the reverse side may appear faded. These signs of wear tell a powerful story of the coin's journey through countless hands, transactions, and places over many years. Every mark on the coin represents a piece of its real-life history. The copper color visible along the edge of the coin is one of its most recognizable features. This happens because the quarter is made from a copper core layered with nickel on the outside. As the coin wears down through years of use, the inner copper layer becomes visible, creating that brownish stripe along the edge. This is completely normal for modern quarters and does not by itself make the coin rare or valuable. Despite being common, the 1989 D Washington quarter can still capture attention when it comes to mint errors. These errors occur during the production process and can turn an ordinary coin into something unique. Examples include off-center strikes, double dies, die cracks, or unusual textures. While such errors are rare, they are the key reason why some coins from this year can sell for more than their face value. Collectors are always on the lookout for these unusual features because they are unpredictable and difficult to find. A small detail, such as slight doubling in the lettering or a misalignment in the design, can make a coin stand out dramatically. In some cases, these differences can increase the coin's value far beyond what most people would expect from a simple quarter. It is important to be realistic when discussing value. A heavily circulated 1989 D Washington quarter without any special characteristics is generally worth only its face value. The idea that such a coin could make someone a billionaire overnight is more of a dream than reality. However, that dream is what inspires many collectors to keep searching, examining coins carefully, and hoping to discover something extraordinary. The real value of this coin lies in knowledge and awareness. Understanding what to look for, such as mint marks, condition, and possible errors, can transform the way you see coins. Instead of ignoring them, you begin to examine each one with curiosity, knowing that even the smallest detail could make a difference. From a historical perspective, the 1989 Washington quarter represents a time before major changes in U.S. coin design. It belongs to the long-running Washington quarter series that remained largely unchanged for decades before the introduction of the state quarters program in 1999. This gives the coin a sense of continuity and connection to a stable period in American currency history. Another fascinating aspect of this coin is its journey. A single 1989 D quarter may have traveled across cities, states, and even countries. It may have been used in shops, vending machines, or stored away in jars before returning to circulation. Each scratch and mark adds character, making every coin slightly different from the next. For collectors, grading plays a major role in determining value. A heavily circulated coin falls into a lower grade category due to its wear, which limits its market price. However, if that same coin has a rare mint error or unusual feature, its value can increase significantly despite its condition. This is why experienced collectors always inspect coins carefully rather than judging them at a glance. Coin collecting is not just about money, it is about the thrill of discovery. The excitement of searching through coins, the possibility of finding something rare, and the knowledge gained along the way make it a rewarding hobby. Even a common coin like the 1989 D quarter can become meaningful when viewed through the lens of curiosity and exploration. Patience is essential in this journey. Not every coin will be valuable, and not every search will lead to a major discovery. But over time, as your understanding grows, your ability to recognize something special improves. What once seemed ordinary may begin to reveal hidden details that others might miss. If you come across a 1989 D Washington quarter, don't rush to spend it immediately. Take a closer look, examine the details, and consider its condition. While it may turn out to be a common piece, there's always a small chance that it could have something unique. In the end, the 1989 Washington quarter is a reminder that value is not always obvious. It may not turn you into a billionaire overnight, but it carries history, mystery, and the excitement of possibility. And sometimes, that sense of discovery is more powerful than the coin's monetary worth itself.